Hello everyone, welcome back for another video of Maths. In this video I'm going to show you how to calculate the missing angle in a triangle using the sinus, cosinus or the tangent method, also called the TOA. In order to use the TOA method, there is one requirement. The triangle must have a 90-degree angle, so right triangle. This sign over here stands for a right triangle. Now let's find out what TOA means. The so part in SOH tells us that the sine of the angle that we're considering, that is angle x, this angle over here, is equal to the opposite side to angle x. The opposite side to angle x is this one, divided by the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is always the across side of the right angle, 90-degree angle. Is this the longest angle of the longest side always? This side. So sinus x is equal to opposite side of x, this one, divided by the hypotenuse side. That's this one. The kappa or SOH tells us that cosine x is equal to adjacent side. Let's take this example over here. Cosine x, adjacent side. This one is the hypotenuse, is the cross side of the right angle. Adjacent side is the side next to the letter x. Adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse is this. So we're going to use the cosinus of x over here to find out the missing angle x. Then we have the last one, the TOA. TOA stands for the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Let's see which one that is. The opposite side. Yes, this one, opposite side divided by the adjacent side. Let's jump right into our first example. We have an angle of x here and we want to know the angle of x, how many degrees this angle is. Which sides is already known. We have an opposite side, this one, and the hypotenuse, this one. So we need to have the opposite and the hypotenuse. If you look back to SOH, you'll see that the sinus of x equals opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. So let's find this in. Sinus x equals opposite side is 7 divided by 15. To find out what the angle of x is, you need to use the inverse sine of x. That is the sine minus 1 option in your calculator. So just use your calculator, type in sinus minus 1. Most of the time you have to use shift sinus, and then 7 divided by 15, which will give you 27.8 degrees. Let's go to our second example. We have an angle of x over here. Which sides are known? The opposite side and the adjacent side. Which of the formulas do we need to use? The opposite and the adjacent is the tangent. So the tangent of x is the opposite is 12 divided by 10. Now type in shift tangent on your calculator. Tangent minus 1 equals 12 divided by 10 gives you an angle of 15.2 degrees. So x is 50.2 degrees. Let's go to our third example. We have an angle of x over here. The hypotenuse is 15 and the opposite angle is 12. So which of SOH do we need to use? We have the hypotenuse and the opposite angle. Hypotenuse and the opposite is sinus. So sinus x is opposite side is 12. Hypotenuse is 15. Type in the inverse sinus sign, shift sinus on your calculator equals 12 divided by 15 gives us 66.4 degrees. So to use the sinus cosinus tangens, you need to know what SOH means. SOH stands for sinus x opposite hypotenuse, the first letters SO and the K, TOA. Find out which of two sides are known, and you know which one of these SOH you need to use to find out the missing angle. That was it for today. I hope this video helped you to find your missing angle. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment if you like. Hope to see you next time in another video. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.